If you're a small YouTuber and you feel stuck guessing what to post, what title to use, or why your videos aren't getting views, this tool changes everything. This is vidIQ, and it's one of the most powerful tools for creators who want to grow smarter, not harder. The best part? You can start with the free plan. Even for free, vidIQ helps you understand your videos, your channel, and what YouTube actually wants. One of the biggest features is keyword research. Instead of guessing what people are searching for, vidIQ shows you keywords with high search and low competition, which is perfect for small creators. That means you can actually rank and get discovered. vidIQ also helps with titles and thumbnails. It tells you what's working, what's trending, and why certain videos get clicks. No more random titles or boring thumbnails, you're making decisions based on real data. If you want access to all the tools you see here, like competitors, daily ideas, thumbnails, and scripts, you'll need the full version. You can use vidIQ with the link in the pinned comment, and don't forget to download the vidIQ browser extension. It's a game changer for optimizing videos directly on YouTube. Upload smarter, stay consistent, and let the data work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.